Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Moltbot in iPhone. Moltbot is an AI-based assistant that helps users perform tasks efficiently and access automated responses. And this tutorial explains the complete installation process in a simple and easy to follow manner. First, make sure it connects to a stable internet connection, confirm that you have a sufficient storage space, and these steps help prevent installation errors. And after that, you can open to your app store here. And once you reach into this app store, on the bottom there we could see there's a search bar. Select to the search bar and type down Moltbot and search for it. But over here we could see there's an option for the Moltbot AI chat and draw. What you can do is simply select it and tap on the get. Over here it asks you to double click to install it. It will require a Face ID, password or your Apple password as well. After that, you can open to the Moltbot app or the home screen shortcut, login using your account details, allow necessary permissions if prompted, and Moltbot is now ready to use on your iPhone. This concludes the process of downloading and installing Moltbot on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.